Hey everyone, and welcome! Today we're diving deep into a product that claims it can fix one of the biggest headaches of summer, the Levoit Tower Fan. It promises to be powerful, smart, and get this, nearly silent. So let's find out if it actually lives up to all that hype.
You know the feeling, right? It's hot, you're trying to sleep or get some work done, and you turn on your fan, and it sounds like a jet engine is taking off in your room. But here's the kicker. You can barely even feel the air moving. It is one of the most annoying things ever.
So what if you could actually have it all? Powerful cooling without that constant deafening racket? Well, that's exactly the promise behind the Levoit Tower Fan. Let's see if this thing really is the answer.
Okay, right out of the gate, this fan comes with some serious street cred. We're talking a 4.6-star rating from almost 9,000 users. That tells you something huge right there. A ton of people have bought this, used it, and loved it enough to leave a great review. This isn't just some gimmick.
So what's the big idea here? Well, it's all about combining two things that you almost never find together in a fan: really strong airflow and super quiet operation. Let's dig into the numbers that supposedly make this happen.
First up is the speed. This fan moves air at 25 feet per second. Now, what does that actually mean for you? It means it's powerful enough to send a real cooling breeze all the way across a big room, not just in a tiny spot right in front of it. And it doesn't just blast that air in one direction. It oscillates a full 90 degrees. Think of it less like a narrow jet of air and more like a wide, sweeping curtain of coolness that circulates air through the entire room. It's way more effective.
And here it is, the magic number that everyone is talking about. On its lowest setting, this fan runs at just 28 decibels. That is, and I mean this literally, whisper quiet. So you get all that power we just talked about without any of the annoying noise. Perfect for bedrooms for sure.
But this fan is more than just raw power and quietness. It's actually pretty smart too. It has all these features designed to adapt to your space and your comfort level. Let's check those out. You get a ton of ways to customize your comfort. You've got 5 different speeds, from just a gentle little breeze to a full-on blast. And on top of that, there are 4 different modes, like turbo for when you need to cool a room down fast, and even an advanced sleep mode for nighttime.
Now this is a game changer. You can put it in auto mode, and a sensor inside the fan actually keeps an eye on the room's temperature. If it gets warmer, the fan speeds up. If it cools down, the fan slows down. It's true set it and forget it comfort.
All right, the specs are cool and all, but what do the thousands of people who actually use this fan every day have to say about it? Because that's what really matters, right? Let's dive into what real customers are saying.
Wow, just look at this. Over 1,000 people specifically wrote about the noise level, or, the lack of it. That is huge. It shows the fan is absolutely delivering on its biggest promise. And right behind that, people are raving about the build quality and the powerful airflow. And here's that exact feeling, but from a real person. Daniel G just nails it here. He says it's super quiet, perfect for sleeping, but it's still strong enough to cool down the whole room quickly. That's the perfect balance right there.
This is pretty neat. It's a summary generated by AI after reading hundreds of reviews, and it says the same thing: quiet and powerful. But check out that little bonus it found. It helps save on electric bills. And that makes sense, right? If you're moving air this efficiently, you don't have to crank up your expensive AC as much.
And here's one more from a user named Jobo. That's basically the perfect summary of everything. They mention the quietness, the wide rotation, all the different modes, and even a little thoughtful detail like the handy storage spot for the remote control right on the fan itself.
Okay, we've looked at the specs, the smart features, and heard from thousands of happy customers. So let's bring it all home and give our final verdict on the Levoit Tower Fan.
So what's the bottom line here? The Levoit Tower Fan is a real standout because it actually does what it says it's going to do. The operation is impressively quiet. The airflow is powerful and covers a wide area. The smart features like auto mode are genuinely useful. And all of this is backed up by, well, an army of happy owners.
And that pretty much wraps up our breakdown. Hey, if you found this explainer helpful, it would be awesome if you'd subscribe for more just like it. And if you've decided this is the fan for you, we've put the direct product link right down in the description below for you.
So, I'll leave you with this final thought. After seeing all this, are you ready to finally ditch that noisy old fan and trade up for a silent, powerful breeze? Thanks so much for watching.